twice. Yeah, the last time I checked, I went to school. 1, 2 is twice. Yes, that's it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are launching these new babies from Mach and Mach. I did make a purchase before coming on holiday and I just did not want to start wearing them without showing you guys what I got and the deal I got from Harrods buying these babies. So here is shoe 1 and shoe number 2. Both of them are bows, okay? They have glitters to them, to the straps. Let me just go on and show you guys. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are VIP OGs, those who've been here from when I started my YouTube channel, thank you so much for returning to watch what I'm just posting or what I just posted, whichever one. Take your pick. If you're new here, I'm Gladys, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos from me. Let's get into unboxing this baby. Let me open it. It's the double bow sandals, and they put yellow on it, but it's more like lemon, do I say? Here is how it comes, and the Mach and Mach, whatever. We've got the dust bag, also from Mach and Mach. Everything in here is from Mach and Mach, so I don't know why I have to constantly repeat from Mach and Mach. All right, so here is really beautiful for summer, the yellow double bow pattern sandals, and I got it on sales, guys. You won't believe. Look at how it's shiny. Oh, take me there. All right, it's got glitters, okay, to the bow. Let me bring it close to you so you can see. This is what the strap looks like, and it goes around your ankle twice. At least this is what it looks like. I'll put it on so you guys can see. It's really beautiful. I like that it has the hardware silver to the bottom. I tried finding this on Google. I got several ones, but I didn't get this accurate an accurate picture for what this shoe looks like. Anyway, unboxing it, this is what it looks like. It's so lovely and it's perfect for summer. When you purchase from Harrods, you get good deals sometimes you don't, sometimes you do. So I got this from Shoe Heaven. I think I'll put a video by the side here or the other way. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, it's so beautiful. The bow is given. The bow is given, guys. This was what attracted me, the bow in front of it, the yellow color as written, and then the heels. It's not too high, so you can always wear this with the jeans. You can wear the night outfits, dinner wear, lunch. It is versatile, so this is an investment for me. I don't know about another person. Okay y'all, here is the second one, and I'm just gonna unbox real quick because I have somewhere to be. Oh, before I proceed, check this outfit out. It's a two-piece by Tahila Fashion. I'll leave the link to her Instagram and how you can contact her if you're in the UK or anywhere in Europe. She's a designer. She makes really lovely outfits and make you stand out at any given occasion. So please make sure you patronize her. You can buy for your wife, you can buy for your female loved ones or whatever. She's good, okay? And these shoes are matching. The both of them are given for the outfit. Now let's get back into the shoe. Still match and match. The dust bag. And here is the baby number 2. Like. I really love that. Let's start with the bowl. This is not even the bowl, it's like the flower, okay? Wait, hang on a second, because I can't be memorizing all these things. It's the crystal flower, okay? don't be upset at me, guys. I can't like have everything in my head. So it's the crystal flower shoe, and it's a pattern shoe actually. But the difference between this one is that it's chrome. It gives you the chrome look. The pattern area gives you the chrome look. You can see, I'm glad I'm unboxing this under the sun so you can see how effective and how shiny and how old lady, princess, queen vibe that these shoes are given. So I also got this, bless me, luckily for me, from Shoe Heaven in Harrods, Harrods in UK, London. And when you go to Shoe Heaven, you see a lot of discounted shoes there. So just giving you a tip. Go to Shoe Heaven and you find some things really nice there. Now I think this is about £930, and I got it for £458. So guys, it's lovely. You can wear this with whatever, especially occasions or dinners at night. You can actually use this. You know how to use your shoes. I don't have to tell you how to use your shoes, do I? Now this goes round your ankle once and twice until you strap it in. So you can see the double, let me put it this way. You can see the triple wrap, of which this goes before your ankle and this goes above your ankle. So the both of them, that's twice. Yeah. The last time I checked, I went to school. 1, 2 is twice. Yes, that's it. This is what the heel looks like. If I'm able to get the accurate measurement of the heel from online, Google is my best friend. I'll put it up for you guys in picture. So guys, that's what it is. I'm just going to wear these shoes and make a video so you guys can see it. I'll leave it on the side. Do subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and my unboxing and all that. Follow me on TikTok, the Gladys Barbie G on TikTok, so you see more videos, more funny videos, more fashion videos there. Follow me on Instagram on Gladys_Glamworld. Okay, I'll leave you with what I always do or always say. Do not forget to live, love, laugh, dance, and play. When I say play, I mean find time to have fun with the people you love and those who care about you, care about them in return. Always remember, you have got only one life. Live it, darling. Mwah.